Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this granny square. So if you will stay tuned, I will show you exactly what you need. I'm going to be using this pink yarn. I'm also going to be using a J-hook and some scissors. So I'm going to start by making a slip knot. After you make your slip knot, you're going to chain 4. You chain 4, you're going to create a ring by slip stitching in the first chain, and you're going to pull it through. So you should have something that looks like this. And I always put my fingers in between here because sometimes your ring can close. So we're going to start by chaining 3. That chain 3 does count as a double crochet. You're going to add 2 more double crochets into the ring. Now you want to chain 2. And what this does make is a corner. Now you're going to, should have said it before, but you want to double crochet 3 after that chain 2. So I did 1. I'm going to add 2 more. You're going to do this till you have 4 corners. After that, chain 3. And chain 2 again. And double crochet 3 again. You start to see the corners. You can see those 2. And you just keep going around, and I'm gonna come back when I reach the end. Okay, I've gotten to the end. Now you can take your string in the back. See how that hole is? You can take the string and you can tighten it. And I will fasten it off later. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. What we're going to do next is chain 2 and slip stitch it in the top of the chain 3 space. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this, a little square with 4 corners. So what we're going to do next is chain 3. And what you actually want to do, you want to go back into this corner. You're going to put 2 double crochets. Now you're going to go to this corner with 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, we made our corner. Now we're going to go straight into this corner with 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And I will meet you back at the end to show you what to do next. Okay, this is your second corner. So I'll meet you back at the end to show you what to do next. So when you get to the last open space, you're just going to put 3 double crochet here. And after that, you're going to chain 2. And then you're going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 space. And you're just going to repeat that again, chain 3. put 2 double crochet inside of this one. But now you have an extra one. So you want to put 3 double crochet in this one, just 3. Now we get into a corner where we do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Then we want to place 3 double crochet into the middle spot. You're going to repeat this all the way around when we get back to our corner. So I will come back once again when I get to the end. So meet me back. Don't go nowhere. Okay, so I'm coming up on the end. These last clusters. Chain 2, slip stitch onto the chain 3 space. And that's it. Well, I fasten off, I just chain 2 at the end. Pull it out. You just pull it. Slip it off. On my back, just take this nice small. I take my small hook and slip stitch and chain. Pull through. Makes it tighter. Just cut it off. And yeah, it's my granny square. The next video is going to be putting together the car steering wheel cover. So stay tuned for that video. I'll be doing a car steering wheel cover. These are what these squares are for. But yeah, thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Even share and turn on that post notification bell so y'all will know when your girl posts a video. But yeah, stay on the lookout for my next video. And I will get back with y'all later.